Welcome to AK.Inc. Today this is the all-in-one special class. I feel it's special, so I made it special. Now what is special is an unanswered question to you all people. Now let's start the class and start from the starting. Beyond the basic needs, money helps us achieve our life's goals and supports the things we care about most deeply: family, education, healthcare, charity, adventure and fun. Money can give us the power to make a difference in the lives of others, but not the desire to do so. What is the point of money? The main functions of money are distinguished as a medium of exchange, a unit of account, a store of value and sometimes a standard of deferred payment. Any item or verifiable record that fulfills these functions can be considered as money. A world with one currency. Although many were surprised by this unusual announcement, the idea of a world currency moved in and out of favor over the past 70 years. Why world will not have one currency? A single world currency would mean governments would have to give up their autonomy over drafting economic policies benefiting them, by increasing its money supply in the economy. When there is more money flowing into the economy, the value of each individual paper currency decreases, leading to its devaluation. Why one currency not possible? There would be so many dollars that the value of each one would be too small to use and it would get smaller every day. So if we were to adopt a single world currency and it were to be a fiat currency, there would have to be some single organization in charge of printing the money, to decide how much is printed. What is single global currency? With a single global currency, prices worldwide would be denominated in the same unit and could be easily compared. This integration would lead to reinforcing the hegemonic control of a small number of global banking and financial institutions over the process of money creation. How much money is there in the world as of 2020? There is currently around $36.8 trillion in its simplest circulating form, known as narrow money. This includes notes, coins, as well as the value of easily accessed funds like current accounts. Bank forecasts for the US dollar in 2020. Uncertainty from the coronavirus pandemic, a tumbling US economy and an increase in USD money supply saw the US dollar fall nearly 10% from over 3-year highs reached in March. Most banks expect the US dollar to end the year weak relative to other currencies. So now I'll say most important information. Saying it for you all to listen carefully. The dollar has been falling steadily since last March. In an article published in January, Stephen Roach, a faculty member at Yale University and former chairman of Morgan Stanley Asia, who in September 2020 forecasted that dollar will collapse by the end of 2021, has stuck to his bearish forecast. What currency will replace the US dollar? China wants its currency, the yuan, to replace the US dollar as the world's global currency. That would give it more control over its economy. As China's economic might grows, it's taking steps to make that happen. What happens if we only have one currency? There would be a little something for everyone with a global currency. All nations would certainly benefit since there would no longer be currency risk in international trade. For with one global currency, China would not be able to do this, nor would it have a reason to do so. World is going through a major melodrama with multiple times higher speed that can be stopped or changed. When I see all these situations as going today and tomorrow, I may not be able to see the change. So I made AK.Inc. for you all. I love you all. I lived for you and someday I'll leave, so before I die I just wanted to spread all the above. Om Namah Shivaya.